Dear students, today I am going to discuss about the 5th standard mathematics first lesson, that is digit numbers. So in that digit numbers they given as a revision portion. So what is revision? In the 4th standard what you learn, so they given just for your recall of that. First, they given as a place value chart. What is place value chart? Here we can see units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So 2684 they given has an example question. See, 4 it is in the unit place, 8 it is in the tens place, 6 in the hundred place, and 2 it is in the thousand place. So how you will read this? So we'll say that total number has a 2684, like that only. So 2 it is in the thousand place, so that is will tell like that. So 2000. 600 it is in the hundred place, so we will read it as a 600. 8 it is in the tens place, so we will tell it as a 8. 84, so 4 it is in the units place, so we will read total number has a 2684, like that only. So we can see here 7000, so in that 7000. So in that, the third question they given has a 9806. So 8000. So once I will repeat 8000. It is in the thousand place. So that is the reason we'll read it as a 8000. It is in the hundred place, 600 and 49. So 4 it is in the tens place and 9 in the unit place. So like that only. So you should write in the, just you can mention here units, tens, hundreds and thousands. So you should what they ask the question is write the place value chart for the given number. So the given a total number, and you should separate it as in a units, tens and hundreds and thousands. So I think you understood what is I'm going to tell about the place value chart. So in that you already learned that what is the place value chart. In the 4th standard you already learned. I think you understand what I am telling. So in the second Roman number, what they given, write the following given numbers in a words. So how we will read? So if you learned, first you should learn the place value, then you can easily write the given numbers in a words. So first they given 1739. So just before learning, what you will, how you will read 1739, right? So after learning the place value chart, so you can read it as a 1739, right? So 1000, so 1739. Next, coming to the second question, 3007. So by the help of this place value chart, after learning this place value, then you can write it as in a right words, right? So 3007. So before learning, how we will read 3007. After learning the place value, so you can write it in a words like 3007. So right, you understand. So then going to the third question, 4088 is there. So how we will write in a words 4088, right? So it's in the hundred place they are not given any numbers, just they given zero. So here hundred place it is zero, so here we'll read it as a 4088. Next, coming to the fourth question, 11900. So how we will write, dear students? So you can see here you learned about the place value chart. So just they extended one more place value, so it is here in the 10,000 place, right? In the 10,000 place means, mm, in this you can see here you already learned about 1000 place. Here they extended one place value, that is 10,000 place. So here you can see here 11,900, right? 11,900. If they given only 1,900, so they give, if they're not given 10,000 place, so just you will read it as a 1,900, but they given as a 10,000 place. So that is the reason you are adding one more number, and that is in the place of 10,000. So that is the reason we will read it as a and write it as in a words like 11,900. So, dear students, I think you understood what I am explained about place value and how to write in a words. So, if you got any doubt, so you can text me in a comment box. So, I would thinking that you are going to got my point. And if you have any other portion to explain, please comment it me. And thanks for your patience what I am told, so you learned about that. Thank you everyone. So have a great day.